Hello students, let us discuss one of the important chemical property of ionic compound. Ionic compounds are formed by cations and anions. With a strong force of attraction, they combine and form the molecule. But ionic compounds in the aqueous form means when ionic compounds are mixed with water, we get the aqueous solution of that ionic compound. As for example, suppose sodium chloride salt solution. So these ionic compounds in the aqueous medium are good conductor of electricity. So this particular activity can be expressed and explained with the following way. Let me draw a diagram. Suppose this is a container. In this container, we are taking the salt solution of sodium chloride. Here we have the salt solution of sodium chloride mixing with the water. As a result, the ions will be dissociated. So we will have sodium cation and chloride anion. Millions are there in this solution. Now we are giving two graphite rod here. Graphite is carbon but is a good conductor of electricity. This graphite rod is connected to the battery. There is a bulb in the middle and there is a switch here. So this is the circuit I have prepared. So this is a beaker or any container where I am taking the sodium chloride solution. These two are the graphite rod. This graphite rod is connected to the positive terminal. So this is positive and this one is negative. Negative means cathode. This is cathode and this one is anode. Now if I switch on, I will observe that the bulb is glowing. I will observe that the bulb is glowing in a switch on condition. Let me show you here. This is a bulb. When I switch on, suppose this is switch, when I switch on, I will observe that the bulb is glowing. So now what is the meaning why the bulb is glowing here? Because as I told you earlier that when sodium chloride is mixed with water, the sodium chloride ions, sodium and chloride ions, sodium cation and chloride ions will be dissociated. As a result, we will have the free ions in the solution. So this free ion will help in conducting the electricity through this particular circuit. As a result, the bulb will glow. This will prove that ionic compounds in the aqueous form conduct electricity, and it is a very important property of ionic compound. Similar to the aqueous solution, ionic compounds conduct electricity in the molten form also. But in the dry form, dry moisture-free condition, ionic compound will not conduct electricity because at that time dissociation of ion or free ions are not available.